Thanks. Hi, everybody. So good to see so many people on call today with Siddhi. And actually, if Siddhi is on call, then the board would be full. One knows about that. Thank you for having me here, Ruchira. Very kind of you. Uh, a word about Siddhi, an excellent human and a teacher. I myself am a healer, and you know that, Ruchira. So I'm a healer, a past life regressor. In spite of being a trained person, I still wanted to experience certain kind of things and wanted to have some wisdom over candles. So something made me connect, and by something, it's Mystic Lotus made me connect to Siddhi, and it was no regrets at all. Siddhi is a beautiful human. I have personally experienced two of the magics, though I don't believe in magic myself. Being a regressor, I prefer to do things the other way around. But then there was a time when I was wanting to connect to somebody desperately, one of my relatives and all that. So ritual stuff, I called her up and I told her, I said, Siddhi, can you just tell me how am I supposed to get in connection with this person? So I've offended so and so. So she said, okay, do this, Mridula, make all these things and just keep it with you. And so it happened. Almost about a week, 10 days later, the person got in touch with me. My ego was bigger actually. So I didn't want to give a call. So it just, that little magic she taught me was beautiful. Her class, her workshop is excellent. A word about her workshop. She's a very dedicated soul. When she says, she means business. She says, I'm going to teach you for 10 days. She'll teach you with great love and dedication for those 10 days. She'll not give up. Post the 10 days also, she's also there to help you and to support you. Plus, she has a very beautiful thing, which is that whenever she takes another workshop, you're allowed to be part of the previous workshop. So you get to meet the next batch and you get to refresh over whatever you've learned. You can ask as many doubts. My personal experience with her has been amazingly beautiful. I mean, what more can I
How
say?
wonderful,
She's,
Rita. How wonderful and quite incredible with Mila, like how you said, that when you use the white magic ritual, you, in that situation, you actually didn't want to make that call and you could still bring
yeah,
about that shift. It opened up
yeah.
gateways so the other person
Yeah.
could
So,
call.
so it is very natural. We all have a ego state. All right. So who better would talk about it as I said, I'm a therapist and I'm a trained therapist. I would not give in. So I said, I'm not going to call my sister. So I'd rather do this that I will not bow down to this. So then I called her up and I told her, Siddhi, what do you think about it? She says, don't worry, I'll give you something, you do it. So I followed that for about 10, 11 days. And she kept inquiring, kuch hua tera? Kuch kaam hua tera? And she's such a sweetheart. No, she keeps going on all that. So I said, nahi ho jayega. So then 10th, 11th day, I got a call and everything was sorted out. And my ego was like
Wonderful.
happy.
So wonderful.
So I was in a happy state.
Right.
But all those who are listening, believe it or not, she is not. I mean, I'm not trying to add on to any fleshy words. You can experience her. She's a beautiful soul, a wonderful human being, a very angelic soul, and she gives you more than what you actually pay her or you tell her. In fact, you even give her a message at 2 at night. She turns around and says, "Okay, subah baat karte hain. I'll give you everything what you desire." So she does that.
We've got a couple of people, in fact, who are also adding, Mridula, that Siddhi ma'am is an angel, and Bhavna
Yes,
says
she
great
is.
soul and selfless healer.
There's no doubt about it. I think all those who have been trained by Siddhi, we all say the same, that she's an angel. There's no doubt about
Mridula, tell me, was it easy to learn? Was it easy, or was it a lot of information to process? And
it. No. It's very easy to learn. You see, candles as it is a very beautiful thing. So if someone tells you to burn certain amount of candles, you as it is doing it as a ritual, na? But you really don't know which direction you should be doing it. For example, if someone tells me that you don't place a water glass on the right and I keep working on towards the left side thinking that this is going to work a miracle for me, how
hmm,
would I know that the right side is the miracle side?
okay, okay.
So if I'm only working on towards the left side, so she guides you that if you're supposed to burn in this direction, this is how it's supposed to melt. Even for the little bit that all those residues which come down, they make a shape and a form. prior to that, I would never even notice, frankly, what shape it is coming in. But now, when it turns into a shape, I look at it and I send her a picture. Dekh, ye ho gaya hai mere saath. So she says, this is what it means. So you really want to know what the flame means, why is the flame going on the right side, what is the flame trying to tell me? Because when you're in a state of theta and you're in a meditative state, you actually are in communication with the flame.
Okay.
So you really want to know why is it the flame, what is it that the flame wants to talk. So she guides you on that.
Okay. How lovely.
So it is not at all difficult. Yeah, it's not a lot of information.
That
In fact,
sounds
it's
so
the apt
interesting
amount of information.
as well.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Mridula.
Yeah, so
Thank you for that.
Thank you, Mridula.
thank you so much. I'm so glad. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Love you. Anything for you, Ruchira. You looking gorgeous, Ruchira, as always. I mean, I'm always in awe of you that how can somebody look so, so gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. People enjoy Siddhi and be part of her. Thank you so much. I'll take your leave, Ruchira.
Thanks.
Bye,
Thanks,
Siddhi.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.